here's the video on how to set these things up. I've got some chickens and some pigs. There's 13 animals total. There's 40 legs in all. How many are chickens and pigs? And I'll use C and P. So the total number, C is the number of chickens. P is the number of pigs. It's really good to get the difference between how many of these things versus how much they cost. So usually it's the number of each. So I know that the total number is 13. And I know that for every chicken, I'm going to have 2 legs. And for every pig, I'm going to have 4 legs. And total, there's 40. So there's my 2 equations. And you could call them X and Y, and you could rearrange them if you wanted to. Here's another one. 195 students went on a field trip. They took 7 vehicles, some cars and some buses. If a car holds 5 and a bus holds 45, how many cars did they take? How many buses did they take? Again, 7 vehicles, cars, and buses. So C plus B equals 7. And a car holds 5. So for every car, I get 5 students. For every bus, I get 45 students. And total, there were 195 students. And again, if you wanted to put these in your calculator, or GeoGebra, actually, yeah, you got to change them to Y and X, or GeoGebra, we're going to use function notation. Wanted to do one more of these. Find the value of 2 numbers whose sum is 12 and difference is 4. X plus Y equals 12. X minus Y equals 4. That's a pretty easy one. Here's a plane that's going, the wind's behind it. Here it is going into the wind. So you have speed plus the wind is 158. You have speed minus the wind is 112. So those are some pretty common ones. This one's a lot like the van problem. You've got 2 kinds of tickets. You have a total number of tickets, and you have the price of each ticket. It's very similar to the shirt problem or the van problem. So yeah, you guys can give those a try. Give them a try doing them on your calculator, and give them a try doing them on GeoGebra.